So some people may ask, Frank, you say you do janitorial business full time. What is your everyday like? What is the everyday like for a person that does who's in business full time in the janitorial space? I think it varies for everybody, but for me, I am going to use today as an example, right? Today, after I leave my house, I help my children get ready for school. But after I leave my house, I am going to see two clients that we have. We cleaned their space yesterday. I don't always go there the day after we clean their space, but today is the day that I have set aside for quality inspections. One of them is about 40 minutes from where I live, so I am going to go there first. Then I'm going to drive up and see the other client and make sure that my staff that were there, they did a very good job. This one particular client we've been having issues with, so I just really want to address it. But that is not why I'm going there for inspection. I was going to go there anyway, right? So that's something that I'll do. After that, we are starting, direct mail marketing. So my team and I will sit down to see what companies that we want to reach out to. Just because I'm in the janitorial coaching space doesn't mean that my service company, Distinct Cleaning Services and Solutions, does not carry on. So we still have to carry on. We still have to make sure that we are constantly reaching out. We are constantly cold calling. Um, I'll do a little bit of that. Then the rest, I spend my time looking at. We are in the process of, looking at all our automations. So I want to look at all our automations so that tomorrow when I get on my call with one of my staff members who is responsible for our website, we have a 2-hour call. I know exactly what we are discussing. So it may not seem like a lot, but between driving to see clients, between sitting down to look at what companies we want to reach out to and what companies are our ideal companies, it becomes a lot. And then looking at our automations and making sure that our automations are working the way that we want it to work. Sometimes you automate, but you realize that it doesn't always work the way you want it to work. I want to take this opportunity to say that one of the reasons why we do not, and clients are always letting us go, and when I say us, I'm talking about the cleaning service providers, is that we are always doing reactionary quality inspections. Don't do that. Let them see you before they complain. Let them see you so that when they complain and they see you, they know that you are being proactive either way. And because you showed up because you're a very proactive person. So that's just how my day will go. I'll see you on the other side. See you soon.